these trees.
Yeah. Not exactly a nice scene, but
Look at that.
hi, babe. Hi, babe. Oh, look at the family with the babies. And we made it to Abraham Lake. See, it's beautiful. Better look here.
Holy shit.
You just broke your phone?
No, it's been broken a while. Oh my god.
The water would be a lot more fluorescent blue if the sun was out. But let me tell you, in person, you can tell it's blue for sure. But yeah, Abraham Lake. All right, let's go. here at Bull Lake. Waiting for the sun to peek out. There it is. Right. Awesome place here. All right. Let's go back. Well, we made it to our hostel. Hi, Athabasca. Seems to be a really cute place. And it's gonna smell like campfire too, which is fantastic. Alright, so let's pull in. We're gonna go check in and then see what's going on. Go to Jasper, find a toothbrush, find stuff and food, and then yeah. Alright. Alright, we went and checked out Jasper, went to Smitty's and had supper, breakfast for supper. It was great. And now we are inside of our hostel room. Well, I am. Dawn's gone to the washroom. And we're gonna go check out the common room. Well, we've already seen it, but we're gonna go brush our teeth and do whatever. Just thought I'd show you guys around. Hold on. So, there's the front door. This is High Athabasca. Beautiful, like, log cabin room. You can see. Me and Dawn are the only ones in this room right now, which is fantastic. Each bed has like a privacy curtain thing, which is awesome. And I absolutely love this log cabin whole deal thing. Yeah. Same thing in the back, just love it. So I'll show you the common room whenever I go over there. The outside of the cabins. Stars. Really cute cabins, guys. If you're coming to Jasper, I highly, highly, highly recommend this place.